all across my country in America, and in all of the young men and women I see as I travel around the world. And I want to make sure that you all see that promise in yourselves. Because it's so clear to me, and so many others. The challenge is to make sure you see it in yourselves. Who wouldn't want to spend a few years here? Oh, what else are you going to do? It's beautiful here. Just to expand your horizons and to keep building your own vision. And I think that our countries can start or expand on that process.